How to use Play Stores on iPhone. So let's start. First of all, you need to open Safari browser, then search here Google Play Store. Type Google Play Store and search. Here you can see first websites Android app on Google Play Store, then open it. Here you can see Play Store app, open here, then tap on share option, scroll down. Here you can see add to home screen option, tap on, give some name to this app and add to home screen. Play Store showing on home screen, so open it and here you can use Play Store. Thanks for watching.